Welcome to my video. Today, we are showing top 5 water-cooled spindle in 2025's. Hi guys, are you looking for the best water-cooled spindle? If you received a new water-cooled spindle, then you're in the right place. In this video we're going to review the top 5 best water-cooled spindle on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading, reviews, and orders. Number 1. G-Penny Water-Cooled Spindle. This spindle is renowned for its ability to offer precise and efficient cutting performance, making it a popular choice for both hobbyists and professionals in fields such as woodworking, metalworking, engraving, and precision machining. The water-cooled design of the spindle ensures better heat dissipation compared to air-cooled models, helping to maintain performance under high-speed operation. The spindle is designed for high precision with minimal runout, which enhances the accuracy and quality of the cuts and finishes. Number 2. Weaver Water-Cooled Spindle. This spindle is popular among both hobbyists and professionals working with materials like wood, plastic, metal, and composites. Its powerful motor and advanced cooling system make it ideal for tasks such as engraving, milling, and drilling. Weaver has established itself as a reliable brand, offering affordable yet performance-driven solutions for industrial and personal CNC projects. Number 3. Spindle Water-Cooled Spindle. The water-cooled system is one of the defining features of this spindle. It ensures efficient heat dissipation, which prevents overheating during prolonged or high-speed operation, helping to extend the life of the spindle. Link on the description. Number 4. Zalayu Water-Cooled Spindle. The Zalayu Water-Cooled Spindle is a high-performance tool designed for use in various CNC machining applications. Known for its efficient cooling system, precision, and reliability, the Zalayu spindle is ideal for both professional and hobbyist CNC users working with materials like wood, plastic, and light metals. Number 5. 1.5 kilowatt or 11 water-cooled spindle. The 1.5 kilowatt motor provides ample power for a range of CNC machining tasks. It offers a good balance of performance and efficiency, making it suitable for light to medium-duty milling, engraving, and drilling. The water cooling system ensures effective heat dissipation, preventing the spindle from overheating during prolonged use, especially at high speeds. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.